This is Chris with Core Fitness, and we're going to do just a quick ab series, something that you can use with very minimal equipment. I'm just going to use a band. So we're going to come to our mat. Move that out of the way. We're going to take the band and we're going to place it behind our legs. So as you're here, you're sitting nice and tall. You're going to hold the band in either hand. You're going to curl the tailbone under, and you're going to start to slowly come down to the floor. You're going to bring yourself back up. So this band is a nice way to assist. You're going to inhale as you lower down, and you're going to exhale as you come up. Think about keeping the chest nice and wide, shoulders back and down. Good. Second exercise, we're going to take this band and we're going to pull it with a little bit of tension, and we're going to come down all the way to the floor and then bring it back up. You're inhaling and you're exhaling. Inhale, exhale to lift. Inhale, exhale to lower. We're going to take this into a full roll-up position. Coming down, same thing. Stretching a little bit of tension in the band, curling up and over, and back down. Inhaling, exhaling. So some progressions that you can do to get into that full roll-up position, so you can choose whatever works for you. Another way that you can come into a somewhat of a roll-up position, you curl yourself down, hands behind thighs, bring yourself all the way to the floor. You're going to inhale, you're going to exhale to lift back to the top. Inhale, exhale to lower down, vertebrae by vertebrae. So you're getting a little bit of feedback by pressing the thighs into your palms. And then coming back. Inhaling and exhaling. At the top, holding here for obliques. You're going to open to one side and then the other. So you're going to reach. You're going to follow your hand, moving from that rib cage. Exhaling, inhaling, exhaling, inhaling. So those are just a few quick exercises you can do. I would suggest maybe 8 to 10 reps in really good form. It'll take you about 5 minutes or so. And always remember just to really keep that breath work going. Make sure you're exhaling on that exertion phase. Inhaling as you lengthen your spine. This is Chris from Core Fitness. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you again next time.